In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson EcoTank ET-4750 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-4750 support. Best results come back with Epson ET-4750 support, and there should be a little picture of your printer next to it. Go ahead and open up that link. It should take you directly to epson.com up at the top. If you scroll down a little bit underneath operating system, click the drop down and select your correct operating system from the list, and then select go. And then you can go underneath recommended for you and select your driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and download that. And once it's done, open up that file. Should be a verified publisher, Epson Inc. Go ahead and select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard as you see on my screen, as you would with any normal application. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.